We got a beautiful video today, guys. All we want is brand new all-time highs by April of 2024. Is it possible? Let us wait and see. 90k? Who knows? Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62 cents, right? But there has been a lot of volatility with Bitcoin's price, guys. Look at that, it reached almost like 39k, right? And it's slumping back down. But one thing we do know is Gary Gensler did tell us from a month or so ago, guys, number go up. If that isn't subliminal programming, I don't know what else is. Interesting, isn't that? Now guys, we're to the fun part of XRP and the XRP community. Now this is quite interesting. Today is Black Friday, right? So we have an insane video today, guys. You guys ready? If you guys can like today's video, I really appreciate it. Thank you. And it's what Black Friday, power outage, and things like that. You know why that's so interesting is because the Simpsons came out, guys, with the Thanksgiving special, season 35, episode 7. It's a blunderful night, Thanksgiving. Homer is blamed for the pre-Thanksgiving power outage. That's strange, isn't it? Because as we see, storyline, Lisa tells the story of Homer being a scapegoat for a power outage that plunged Springfield into darkness before Thanksgiving. What's going on here, guys? Right? Well, that's a little bit weird because HSBC mobile bank outage Black Friday. When we talk about HSBC, Mr. Poole did warn people about HSBC. Right? Code, HSBC, and look at that, someone being anonymous, right? The outage, the power outage going offline, so to speak, because HSBC customers hit by mobile banking outage, guys. Can't make this stuff up, right? So it seems as the day goes on, guys, as the weeks, months, and years pass, these events just keep accelerating. Thousands of HSBC customers in the UK have been unable to access online and mobile banking services, preventing them from authorizing online card purchases on Black Friday, right? The outage happened around a specific time, guys. Wow. And it seems like it's back up, right? They stated that it was an internal system issue. This HSBC outage will cause a real headache for a lot of customers. In the worst case, it could prevent people making essential payments such as rent and bills, but it also falls on Black Friday, one of the busiest shopping days of the year. Right? So, I don't know, guys. I mean, the timing of that is just ridiculous, isn't it? Now, this is where we talk about the year 2024. You guys really thought, don't make me laugh, guys, because you guys really thought 2023 was crazy, right? Or is going to get crazy. Well, here comes Tucker Carlson talking about what? The year 2024, guys. Look what he says, okay? This next year is going to be like nothing we have ever seen. And he states, I'll bet my house on it. That's the most craziest statement ever, right? That he would bet his house on it. That next year, 2024, will be the craziest year the world has ever seen, guys. Now, we're going to watch this video and then possibly connect a few thoughts. This is the craziest thing, guys. Listen very carefully. Please like the video, share it.
And so I'm not mocking them at all. I'm just telling you once again what you already know, which is this is going to be the next year is going to be, I think I'd bet my house on it, really like nothing we've ever seen in the country. And everyone can kind of feel that. You know, most of our perceptions come through intuition rather than reason. And if you have dogs, you know this because they can't understand literally a word you say because they don't speak English, hardly any of them. But if you're close to your dog, you know the dog knows exactly what's going on, knows when it's time to go out, knows when you're going on a trip. Why is that? Because they don't hear anything, they just watch. And they feel. And people are very much the same. And if something bad is about to happen, everybody gets jumpy. And everybody's really jumpy right now. So I'm not here to make your anger and paranoia worse, just the opposite. I'm here merely to suggest a couple of things that I think you could do about it and that might be useful rather than pointless. like spending a ton of time on social media screaming at people. Well, obviously I do that for a living, and I would never discourage anyone from doing it. Probably aren't going to solve your problem. So the first thing I think that's really important as you stare down the next 12 months is to accept the fact that that all your senses are telling you the truth. A good friend of mine called Gavin DeBecker once wrote a book, the thesis of which was every feeling, every gut level feeling you've ever had is real, is totally true. That your gut is the one thing that doesn't lie to you. Your gut only has your interest in mind. It is not trying to sell you a product or convince you to vote for it. It's acting solely on your behalf. So if you get a very strong message from your viscera, from your intuition, obey it. Take it very seriously. As I always tell my children, if you're talking to somebody and the person seems creepy, he's creepy. It doesn't mean you can convict him in a court of law for creepiness, though maybe you should try. But you don't need to. All you need to know is that what your senses are telling you is absolutely true. This person's creepy. If you feel deception, you're being lied to. Period. Now, you may not know how you're being lied to or why you're being lied to, much less what the truth is. You probably don't. I most of the time have no idea. But if you feel you're being lied to, you're 100% right. You are being lied to. And if you feel that something very intense and history-changing is about to happen, don't ignore it. Don't panic. There's no profit in that. You can't control it. You're not in charge of history. No offense. None of us is. But that is absolutely real.
There we go, guys. Okay? So, if you feel something very intense and history-changing is about to happen, don't ignore it. Wow, stare down the next 12 months and accept the fact that all of your senses are telling you the truth, guys. Please tell me, this has to be subliminal programming, right? Because he posted the video on his Twitter page, guys, with so many people looking at it, right? Watching the full speech. He surely seems he's being very confident, right? Maybe he knows what's upcoming. Perhaps this from Kim.com. I'm sorry to tell Americans that there's not a single viable candidate for president in 2024 because none of them tells you about the inevitable upcoming economic collapse. There we go. Right, there we go. So they all talk about how they'll help you make much more money, not that there will be a massive unemployment spike. Okay, pay very close attention. So 2024, we know something insane is coming, supposedly, right? With especially elections. Don't forget, guys, right? So obviously it's going to be a ballistic year, 100%. So be safe out there. That's the number one thing, guys. Number two, maybe you'll tie into some type of economic collapse, okay? Upcoming as well, 2024, 2025. Now, okay, this is how I see them, guys. This is okay, hold on, let me zoom out. This is how I see them. I see them as holding a bunch of cards, right, from the deck. Pulling a bunch of cards from the deck, guys, and each card has a different specific event attached to it, right? So for example, cyber attack, power outages, food shortages, war, perhaps solar flares, right? Do you guys see I feel like this is the truth, guys, and then they just pull one out, they place it, and it's now played, right? Well, that's how I see it. I don't know. Check this out, though. Breaking: the World Health Space Organization has asked China, guys, at this point in time, this has to be the craziest thing of my life, for more data on the thing that's happening over there, basically, right? What we talked about this a day before they came out saying this, guys. A day before. Check out the videos. This is why you have to watch all the videos, guys. Right? We're trying to get ahead of the curve. There seems to be some type, I don't know what they're planning, guys. Some type of black swan is forming as we speak. Hell of a throwback Thursday, exactly, right? The same thing occurred back in 2019. Slowly, but then suddenly during March. Mysterious something happening over there, guys, as we can see right here, right? So people are in distress, guys, over there in Chinese schools, right? I'm not going to go through in depth about all these things. I'll have it in the link down description below so you guys can investigate further. Listen to this, though. China will have to face a new right? Next year, guys, 2024, You guys see, they're just playing any cards they want to at this point. No, animals to humans, okay? However, listen to this. It will not expand. It will only be mainly in China, guys. Right? Limited to China. Wow. So we know that they're not going to use the same 2020 excuse to bring upon another Black Swan event, okay? So they have to use YouTube. So that's off the table, it seems as. Maybe that's going to put some disturbances, all that stuff like that, guys, but nothing too major, right? In the terms of some type of collapse or anything. Now, so they have to choose some other type of event, which could be what? Justin, China deploys nuclear-powered attack submarine, right? And there we go, guys. So if that doesn't tell us something, then I don't know what will. Because Justin, Russia moves doomsday missile closer to Europe, raises nuclear tensions. Oh wow, right? Where is the world heading to? Why are we even still using nuclear weapons? It just doesn't make sense. Right? Maybe it's a blessing in disguise, as Andrew states right here. I don't know, guys. Mr. Poole tweets in new death clock message, stay indoors. Wow. So the death clock, right? That website has been having these coded messages, guys, for the past months, it seems as. And it just came out with this right here. Yellow alert declared. Stay indoors, close windows, tune into local TV. Uh-oh. That's not looking good at all, guys. Right? Why? Because of this right here. Stay indoors. I mean, Mr. Poole was not lying when he literally stated that, guys. Right? Why would someone say stay indoors? Right? Well, it's because something's happening outside. Externally. Outside your house, guys. Right? And usually this pertains towards this right here. Nukes. Not anything advice though. Now supposedly on a Friday, I don't know what's happening, guys. There's so many different things happening. This is absolutely crazy. Reports claim UBS Bank in Switzerland has collapsed, guys. Wait, what? UBS freezing some withdrawals due to liquidity challenges, guys. This has to be the craziest thing. It's funny. Wow, what? Wait a minute. This is the craziest thing, guys. Big Short just talked about this before the UBS CEO came out, guys, and spoke on issues that's possibly occurring with UBS as we speak. And now this, regarding your deposit withdrawal, right? We apologize for the delay in processing your deposit withdrawal request due to unforeseen liquidity challenges at our UBS branch. We regret to inform you that we are currently unable to fulfill your request. I mean, is this even real, guys? Right? I'm not sure, right? Because some people are in the comments are saying fake. No bank would say this. Fake unless this suddenly plummets, right? So there we go. Maybe it is perhaps fake. Well, it has to be, right? But what isn't, what is not, is this right here. UBS CEO says private buyer preferred outcome in case of rescue, right? So the bank that was used to rescue Credit Suisse is now in need of rescuing. Who could have seen that one coming, guys? Seems like the emergency alarms are going off, to say the least. UBS quote, we would want a private buyer. There's no problem, of course, but just putting it out there, right? Some people are saying my friends can't get back deposits from UBS. Crazy, if that's real. Someone else says, hi guys, stock market will crash next in coming days. Have fun. November 23rd. Stock market will crash bigger than 2020. I also predicted 2020 crash. Go check my past tweets. I don't think this is happening, guys, unless a black swan suddenly appears and is in view, guys, right? 100% for Mr. Poole, 1124. That found it for today's video comes from Baba Cooks. The last few days of being a non-millionaire at XRP Productions, right? I don't know, guys. I mean, we have to wait for and play and see those events play out, right? Tucker Carlson 2024 will be a year that it's just going to be pretty ballistic, guys. Let's prepare. Seems like we are nearing the end. Not financial advice. But anyways, guys, hope you guys amazingness. See ya.